Hey you guys, what's up? It's me, Harley J, and yesterday to the recording date, so the day before we're recording this video, which I don't know what the date is, but I came out with a video. It's better. I came out with a video showing you guys that we're at we're shooting at. We're not shooting at my house. We're actually shooting at a different location. So yesterday we set up all the stuff, all the tripods and everything. So, and then when we came back today to the set, oh, my nose is really not feeling good. We could shoot today, and then we'll be back tomorrow to just do some pictures and stuff, and make stuff here on set, like fully sound, to work. And then we'll just have one day, and the last day we'll be just packing up. So that's kind of our calendar. I don't want to give away too much detail, but yeah. So let me just show you the set, because I haven't showed you it. So yeah, let's do it. So that's where you just were. I just have my phone right here in this. Sorry, the train's in the background. Just have my phone right here on this tripod. And then for the beginning, you saw this and the shot. But then we have, so yeah. We start by having, so shoot. We have a stairwell that goes from down there. You walk all the way up there. Then you go in here. You go in here, and we have the whole set. And then since we did take a quick break today, we're gonna keep shooting today, but take a quick break to just chill. And then we kept shooting. We shot scene 1, then we stopped. We shot, and then we shot scene 2. But so we got some stuff I was doing. So that's where we shot scene 1. This is the location of scene 1, living room. And then for scene 2, let me do the school effects. Watch, ready? So this is where scene 2 takes place, the bedroom. It's not really that much. Okay, so that was pretty nice. So this is like what I like to call original location, like where the tripod is set up. But yeah, this is the place again. This is what it looks like really quickly for living room where scene 1 takes place. So yeah, but I don't want to give away too much information about the short film. And yes, it's for my short film called Here. So yeah, peace out.